How do you say grey in Spanish? The word for grey in Spanish is gris. Gris. For example, el cielo está gris hoy. El cielo está gris hoy. The sky is grey today. Llevo un abrigo gris. Llevo un abrigo gris. I'm wearing a grey coat. The word gris doesn't change for gender, so there's no different feminine version, but it does change in the plural. Gris gets an extra es on the end, so you get grises. Grises. For example, sus ojos son grises. Sus ojos son grises. His eyes are grey. Tienen un coche gris. Tienen un coche gris. They have a grey car. Mi gato es gris claro. Mi gato es gris claro. My cat is light grey. So if you want to say grey in Spanish, you say gris. Gris. And if you want to learn to speak Spanish, you can get my course 3 Minute Spanish at www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Gracias.